Welcome to the guidance calibration video for the PLM IntelliView 12. This video will cover the necessary steps to calibrate the steering sensor and valve. It will also cover the roll calibration. The first calibration is the wheel angle sensor calibration. From the Run screen, navigate to the menu icon. Select the Diagnostics tab. From here we will select the Vehicle Diagnostics option, and then navigate to the Calibration section. We will then choose Steering. A pop-up should display in which we choose either wheel angle sensor or steering valve calibration. We will click Continue to begin the sensor cal. The calibration will guide us step by step. First, we must confirm that the engine is running, and that there is an operator in the seat. Once this is verified, we will press the second function button on the multi-function handle. The display will then instruct us to steer to the rightmost position and click Continue. Once this voltage value is recorded, we will do the same for the left position. Lastly, we will be directed to calibrate the center wheel position. Once complete, we will select Apply and then Done. Back at the drop-down, we will choose Steering Valve Calibration. Before we begin the valve cal, the display will ask us to make sure the engine is running. The wheel angle sensor has been calibrated. The vehicle is moving less than 3 miles per hour. The rotating switch is set to field. An operator is in the seat. The oil is warm, and the tractor is steered all the way to the right. Once this has been confirmed, we will then press the second function button on the multi-function handle. The display will then instruct us to steer the wheels to the center position. The voltage should change as we adjust the wheels. Once the wheels are positioned, we will select Continue. The system will direct us to stop steering while it begins to take readings. The tractor will begin to steer to the left and right. Be sure to have plenty of room for this part. Manual movement of the steering wheel will cancel the calibration. The display will indicate that the system is searching for a left and right deadband. This will take some time. A message should appear that a possible left and right deadband edge has been found. After some time, it will begin to verify the deadband edge. The deadband should eventually be captured, and a message will display that the calibration has been completed. Select Done to exit the screen. The last calibration is the roll calibration. Navigate back by selecting the menu option. From here, select GNSS and Guidance. Select the calibration option and then select Roll Cal. For the automated roll calibration, the vehicle needs to be on a straight and flat area, where the vehicle has at least 400 feet to drive and turn around. The engine needs to be running, the operator must be seated, the system needs to be in field mode, and a GNSS position and heading must be available. You will also notice an option for a manual roll calibration. However, we are going to focus on the automated cal in this video. The automated calibration will guide us step by step. We will click Start to begin. Now that the automated roll calibration started, we will be directed to drive about 6 miles per hour. The guidance system has created a guidance swap for us. We just need to select the Engage button. A liability statement should appear, prompting us to accept. We then need to make sure we are headed in a safe direction, and speed up. So we will speed up the tractor and see if we can get it to start counting. So we have engaged our guidance and reached our minimum speed. Part 1 of the automated roll calibration is in progress. We are going to keep driving straight until the display tells us it is time to turn around. We have completed part 1. Now we need to turn the vehicle around and engage on the same swap that is close to the same speed as possible. We are turned around and are engaged on the swap. Now we just have to keep driving until the calibration is complete. Now we have reached the end of the calibration. The display will automatically pop up and display the offset value and automatically disengage. We can now press Done, and the roll calibration will be stored and is complete. Refer to the software operating guide for further details.